Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Adobe Stock. Adobe Stock is a widely recognized and highly regarded stock content platform that offers a vast collection of high quality images, videos, illustrations, and other creative assets. As an integral part of Adobe Creative Cloud ecosystem, it seamlessly integrates with various Adobe softwares, making it a convenient choice for designer, marketers, and content creators. So one of the standout features of Adobe Stock is its extensive library, which boasts millions of diverse and professionally curated assets. Whether you are in need of captivating visual for a website, promotional materials, or social media campaigns, Adobe Stock provides a wide range of options to suit almost any project or industry. The search functionality is robust, allowing users to filter by various criteria such as color, orientation, subject matters, and more, enabling quick and efficient asset discovery. So let's start. So the free trial only needs you to sign up with your account for now. Okay. Let's do this and wait and hope they don't ask to pay. Backup email address. Yes, I have a lot. Take this for example. They like to verify emails. So let's go. So let's go here. Adobe verification. Sorry, we put this code and put it here. Good. Now your email has been sent. Please wait. Okay, step by step I will be putting my card number and it's everything. So the free you will need to complete to give them the card number and everything to start your free trial at Adobe Stock. So another significant advantage of Adobe Stock is the quality of the content. With stringent quality standards, the platform ensures that the assets available are of exceptional caliber, ensuring that users receive top-notch visual for their projects. Additionally, many contributors on Adobe Stock are skilled professionals, which further enhance the overall quality and diversity of the content. So let's try to search for something. Something that's legal. Fountain. How to write? I think. Yes. No. Yeah. No. What did I do? Oh, fountain. Look. See? Why you have to pay? Because it have various type, various ideas, various pictures that you will need or use. Depending on what are you searching. I mean, you can search anything. You can adjust the filter if it's free. No, this is free. I mean the 3D. So this is 3D. Whoa, let's preview. Wait, I can't move it. Okay, no, I will need the 3D program. I have it, but I will need to buy the picture to access to the 3D part. So, yeah, integration with Adobe Creative Cloud suits its measures selling points for Adobe Stock, seamlessly accessing the and licensing content within Adobe application such as Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign, streamlining the creative process and eliminates the need to switch between different platforms. This integration provides a seamless workflow for designer and creative, saving time and efforts. And the licensing options provides Adobe Stock and flexible, catering the to different needs and budgets. Users can choose between a standard license for commercial use or an extended license for more extensive usage rights. Pricing structures offer subscription plans and credit parts packs, providing options for both occasionally users and those regular content needs. So you can sell your own pictures here, and let's try this. The year is 2005. Sorry, your access has been denied. You are eligible to use this product service to this service. Eligibility available. Continue. And what? Wait, how Adobe? Okay, they know my phone number. So the code is. I'm not even surprised. I think I already have an account in here. Password, I think it will be. Let's sign up. Okay, this where the problem starts. Yes, let's try another password of mine. No? Oh, actually, I noticed it wasn't working. But the first one should be working. No. Kin? No. What about everything small? Yeah. No. If I enter it with Google? Yes, access denied. I think they banned me. I deserve to be banned, but don't do this to me. Okay, let's go back to Adobe Stock. So overall, Adobe Stock is reliable and available resource for finding high quality stock content, which is extensive library, exceptional integration with Adobe Creative Cloud, and user-friendly licensing options. It's a go-to choice for professionals looking to enhance their creative projects with visual appealing and impactful assets. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.